too cold outside. So now the tedious part is cleaning. change the brush because it's too close to the, hold this, too close to the metal. It may damage the paint. If you have like airbrush or air compressor, you may use that instead of what I am doing. So inefficient, even more harmful. Anyway, that is this way you can clean. I mean, yeah, no problem. It's part of it. I think it's good. All right. One of the reason I use this is because the consistency of the powder and the color of the powder. If you use the flour, it's a bit yellowish, as I've tried it before, and I compare it with baking powder, cornstarch. It's much more better. So yeah. Setting for the other color. So the cornstarch that we use is not, or rather maximize the use of it, not just we can always change the background to black, but I prefer, it depends with the, what you call this, it depends what you wanted to happen after, like editing wise. So the brush can be very helpful to set up the your layout. So this time we're going to use the Mini GT BMW. Okay, so like that. I don't want to mess up really hard, since I can add some elements when you edit the picture. So it's just the plain background. Lighting is very important in every photo shoot. So let's have a sample picture. This is the angle that we really wanted to get. We can also have this type of angle. So it's really up to you which one do you prefer. Okay, but okay. And what I usually do is I take photos from afar. So when I zoom in, you still get the details, the crispiness. For example, this area, it's a little bit blurry. Compare if you're going to take a photo very close. So keep your phone, if you're using a phone, keep it in a good distance, and then just use your digital zoom. So practically this one, you can get this angle. Yep. So just take your time, enjoy. This is basically the reason why we're doing it, to enjoy it. Okay, right, just like that. Okay, that is the element that you use for so it's a lot of things to do when setting up your photo shoot, but as long as you enjoy it, that's the fun of it, right? Setting up, taking photos, get better angle. Yep. So I'm just using my phone. My phone is A71. It's a bit old, but still look good, so enjoying it. That right. Let's take a good angle. Okay, so guys, I hope that this video will help you. You have an idea, tips, when taking picture or setting up for snowy details, okay, winter feels. This is how we do it. Lighting is very important, guys. Okay, lighting. I used to light things. Okay, this one, and I have another one here. Okay, with my tripod. So the I1, yeah. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. See you. Sit down.